17 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. Ever dreamt of owning a piece of the future? With the rapid pace of innovation, the coolest gadgets are no longer just sci-fi fantasies, they're real. And you can get your hands on them today. From smart devices that transform your home into a tech paradise, to portable wonders that revolutionize your daily routine, we've curated a list of 17 must-have gadgets that blend style, function, and a dash of magic. Get ready to be amazed by what's possible right now. Lurpy R1. The Lurpy R1 electric scooter is a lightweight, compact, and powerful vehicle built for adults. It includes an 8.5-inch detachable battery for outside power and lights, a USB charging outlet, and a 350W motor for quick acceleration. The scooter's sleek aluminum body, configurable matrix LED logo screen, Flameship fireplace. The Flameship electric fireplace is a completely safe, cool flame that blends fire and water, creating a realistic illusion of fire with ultrasonic technology. The water vapor fireplace uses a thin haze illuminated by LEDs to create the illusion of fire. Inspired by gigantic ships, the Flameship's design has beautiful proportions and dynamic lines, giving it an aristocratic appearance. Audio-Technica Soundburger. The turntable has Bluetooth connectivity and a USB-C charging cable, making it perfect for parties, picnics, and small living spaces. Its belt drive system, dynamic balance system, and high-precision DC motor provide excellent sound reproduction. Lenovo Legion Go. Legion Go is a multifunctional gaming solution that can turn your handheld device into a portable gaming PC. Legion Go's RGB lit joysticks provide responsive control, while Legion True Strike controllers are removable for added comfort and precision. The extra controller base supports FPS mode and augmented reality exploration. It has an 8.8-inch QHD+ Lenovo PureSight gaming display, customizable visual precision, and a 10-point touchscreen. Legion Go meets all gaming requirements, offering a comfortable gaming experience. Black Diamond 75 Dry Studio, founded by Tokyo-based Stan Fu, provides superior specialized designs at reasonable pricing. The Black Diamond 75 keyboard, modeled after the modified Lamborghini Aventador Carbonado, has a leaf spring mount, 2 4G wireless latency, and co-developed eSport switches. It includes a tri-mode connection, bespoke internals, noise cancellation, an ergonomic design, a built-in wrist rest, a 5000 mAh battery, and a 75-day battery life. Kika Jet Fan 2. The Jet Fan 2 is a brushless high-speed DC motor that can achieve 100,000 revolutions per minute and generates airflow at 20 mph, approximately twice as fast as the first version. It has a step-less speed control, allowing for flexible and quick speed adjustments. The fan is smaller than a phone, with a 3 cm diameter air exit and a weight of 300 grams. Its sleek double-cylinder design, aviation-grade aluminum, and metallic blast make it both sturdy and portable. Voltaics electric kettle. The Stoke Voltaics is a small, lightweight stove that has 3 cooking options: drink, eat, and pop. Drink mode brings fluids to a boil before automatically switching off. Eat mode heats to boiling point but requires careful supervision to avoid scorching. Pop mode warms popcorn kernels to the ideal popping temperature before automatically switching off. Vanzi Ring. Vanzi is a gesture-controlled mouse that sits on your finger and can be operated with a variety of motion-controlled gestures or in air mouse mode. It provides excellent precision and is useful for managing slides and phone volume. Vanzi is also practical, allowing for hands-free control of gadgets from a distance. It is water-resistant, so you can use it while showering or cleaning your hands. Wristlax wearable wrist massager. Wristlax is a wearable massager that employs electrical muscle stimulation, EMS, to treat aching joints, carpal tunnel syndrome, and finger numbness. It employs a low-frequency pulse to promote muscular contraction, providing relief throughout the day. Daka Smart Mouse. Daka is a smart mouse that uses shortcuts and software tools to make navigation easier and more efficient. It connects to Windows or Mac OS computers via Bluetooth 5.2 or 2.4 GHz RF USB receiver dongle, allowing for seamless switching between machines. The mouse has a large size and a high-quality synthetic resin surface, ensuring comfort and no friction. Govee Life Smart Oil Diffuser. The Govee Life. H7161 Smart Essential Oil Diffuser Pro is a smart device that diffuses essential oils and humidifies the air to create a pleasant environment at home. It has a longer misting time, adjustable mist strength, a timer, and can be controlled remotely with the Govee Home app or voice commands. It also has a built-in RGBIC light that can show numerous colors and effects while synchronizing with music or ambient sound. Louie Robot, the revolutionary AI companion that transforms your phone into a charming cyber creature. With a magnetic connection, Louie comes to life, combining cutting-edge technology with whimsical design. Powered by ChatGPT's natural language processing and biomimetic behavior systems, Louie develops a unique personality and innovative thinking, making it both a fun and personal friend. Louie also boosts productivity and streamlines your workflow by replacing desktop basics, allowing you to engage in conversations and potentially discover new delights. The Masking Master. The Masking Master Painter's Tape Applicator is a breakthrough instrument that speeds up and improves the accuracy of masking jobs. It enables immaculate tape alignment, exact distance, and precise cutting in a single, smooth, one-handed move. The applicator also stresses safety by keeping blades tucked down to avoid injury or damage. J-Flex Fitness Rise Up. The revolutionary Cross Grips 2.0 that's taking fitness to new heights. These enhanced pull-ups handles fit larger and higher doors, featuring a spinning handle for unparalleled grip versatility and easy adjustments with a zip clasp and release button. TSA approved and designed for durability, Rise UPS boasts a high-strength fiber-infused chassis that withstands tough workouts while reducing door damage and preserving top trim. Lens Case. Lens Case is a revolutionary 5-in-1 carbon fiber phone cover that unlocks the full potential of your iPhone 13's camera. With its precision macro lenses, telephoto lens, CPL filter, and fisheye lens, you'll be able to produce stunning and compelling photos that will leave everyone in awe. Coalax Lancer 300 Modular Backpacks. The Coalax Lancer 300 Modular Photography Backpack is a modern take on the traditional camera bag. With a changeable power bank, solar panel, drone carrying pocket, and extended rotating selfie stick. The primary compartment is a 24-liter camera lens storage area with movable internal dividers, which may be accessed via a zipped flap in the padded backrest. A telescopic selfie stick can spin 360 degrees and stretch up to 1.5 meters. The power bank is water-resistant, IPX6, and can charge a DSLR camera 15 times, or a quadcopter drone 4 to 6 times. And the Levitating Saturn Lamp. The original Levitating Saturn Lamp is a one-of-a-kind, enchanting present that evokes feelings of childhood wonder. The lamp was created using high-quality NASA satellite pictures of Saturn and 3D printed in a single piece over 26 hours. The touch control base is a convenient and intuitive way to control the lamp's functions. Like, share, and comment on your favorite gadget. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.